Look at this new 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 15 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 7,000 pounds, 3175 kilograms, sunroof, power, with express open, rear axle, 3.42 ratio, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing Speedflex fuel with active fuel management, emissions, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. LTZ Plus package, tires, P265/65R 18 off-road, white outline letter, audio system with navigation, AM/FM stereo with MP3 compatible CD player and navigation with voice prompts, license plate bracket, front, Z71 appearance package and the suspension package, off-road. Call 877-542-2424 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.